Late model low miles continue with this 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 650 in colors white, black, and a green frame. Late model 2017, low miles, under 5,000, 4,746 miles as of this moment. 649cc parallel twin engine mated to a 6-speed transmission. This really nice looking sport bike is available for test rides 7 days a week. Between Escondido and San Marcos, between Escondido and Vista in San Marcos, right off the 78 at North County Indian Motorcycle.